What'd we get? What'd we get?
What is it?
Well. Go get her. Now wait, I think we got another family gift over there, don't we?
Here, open this one next.
Both open it, Emma.
Emma, you want to open that one too? Another remote. So we've got two of them. This comes with just one. So we got two remotes.
Good deal.
All right, now open this one together too.
What is it?
It's another one! It's
Toy Story Mania.
You can't believe it! Can you believe it?
We can play Toy Story Mania in our house. Oh, you missed.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ah.